In today's video, I will teach you how to make your own YouTube banner in Canva. Let's get started. First, open Canva and in the search bar, type in the keyword YouTube banners. You can browse through the thousands of templates in Canva's template library, but you can also enable the format, style, theme, pricing, and color scheme filters on the sidebar to easily find the design that you are looking for. But if you would like to start from scratch, you can simply click on the plus icon on the first row of the template library, or simply click on the Create a Design button and type in YouTube banners. But once you've found the design that you like, you can now open and customize it. You can browse through millions of photos, illustrations, icons, videos, music, and more in Canva's extensive media library. You can also add frames and borders, stickers, and shapes, then choose a unique color scheme and font style that matches your brand. In the Uploads tab, you can upload your logo, monogram, and other graphic assets to your dashboard. You can also customize your template using the Canva's drag and drop design tools and free media gallery on the Elements tab and the Text tab. And once you're satisfied, you can now save it to your computer, and you're done. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell so that you can be updated whenever we upload new tutorials.